are you ready?
Yes.
Team, are you ready?
Yes.
Praisers, are you ready?
Yes.
You may begin.
There once was an old bear. Excuse me. He was really, really bored, so he decided to get into the hot tub. And then it started snowing really, really hard. So he got hot tub is Then he got stuck, and then he got frozen. Some people came to help him out. Oh, thank you for dying me out. Another person saw him in the hot tub and came to help him out. Oh, yay, you helped me. Thank you. They all went inside to have some hot chocolate.
These hot chocolates are good.
You have any marshmallows?